What if there is a lazy way to get more than $700 as quickly as today? When I imply lazily, I indicate getting pretty much 90% of the work done for you with just a few clicks of a button, and you can start getting your very first payment right now. $100, $200, and even up to $700. Unfortunately, after researching more than 300 different techniques to make money online, only a few of them pass the tests and are proven to make real money. This isn't entirely free. But before we start, welcome to our channel. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, press the thumbs up button, and share it with others. Now, let's start the video. I'll show you one of the laziest ways to make money in this video. Now, you can go on to latium.org. Once you come over to the home page of this website, go in and click this link on top, which says Browse, and select on this category, which is Browse Projects. From there, that will bring you onto this page, where you can find different featured projects. When I go down below, there are unlimited projects that you can choose right on this website, and you could be making a lot of money. Now, let's return to the video. In the last section, they categorize all the jobs into different categories. For example, usability testing, registrations, translations, app downloads, video and animation, and more. In this video, I'll save you a lot of time. So now, I want to show you a bonus tip and focus on this category: graphics and design. Click this link right here, which will bring you to this web page and show you other projects related to graphics and design. Now, do not worry, you don't need any graphic design skills. You don't need any technical skills, and you don't need any experience. I promise you this is one of the laziest ways to make money online. Just look at these projects for thousands of dollars and even hundreds of dollars, and we have unlimited jobs available for everybody. So I can keep on scrolling down here, and there are unlimited projects available. But probably, the next question is, how can I start making money just like this? If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We will dive into one of the examples. Now let's say this company posts a project like this. The project they want you to do is to design a new and original logo. Now, click on this project here, and that will bring you to this web page. You can see the reward that is hundreds of dollars right here, and they will pay you in US dollars. Now, you can see here the instructions, which will vary depending upon which project you choose. That's the name of their company. But, once again, do not worry. You don't have to create any of the logos yourself. Go on freelogodesign.org. Once you come to the homepage, this website offers free services and free software to create logos for you in literally just a few seconds. As you can see here, these are just a few of the professional logos for several companies, and these are all the types of different templates and different designs. I'll give you a lot of examples and show you a few bonus tips. Then, at the end of this video, I'll show you another special website to multiply your earnings by a couple more money by clicking on a couple of buttons. However, you can create an entire professional logo in just a couple of seconds. Now, let me show you exactly how to do this. You will need two pieces of information to create a free logo on this website. Number one, you need a company name, and number two, you have to choose among these categories, as you can see right here. Now, let's say if we want to work on this project. You can find a company name. You can see this is the company name. Go ahead and enter the company name, and we will put in the company's name because that will appear on the logo. They will provide us a lot of several templates. The name of the company will appear right on the logo. Moving on, you'll need to learn about the category of their company that you can find on their instructions. Once you enter the company's name, we have to select one of these categories. Now, click on this down arrow and choose one of these categories. Generally, you can find a lot of categories from this down arrow. From there, when you scroll down below, look for the specific category for the company you will be making the logo. Click on this. From there, click on this button, Get Started, and they will start loading up and show you different kinds of logos. With just one click of a button, they help you create your logo, and they have pages and pages of logo designs that you can use for absolutely free. You will scroll down, search for any of these logo designs, and they're super professional once you complete on page number 1. You can click here to go on to page number 2, and they'll show you even several more logo designs, as you can see right here. Or for example, when you send it to your client later, and they are not satisfied, you can go on and select any of these new logos. Then, after that, show them once again. As you can see here, there are 4 pages of different logo designs from just one single category. If you're not satisfied, you will click on other different categories, and they'll show you other logo designs. There are unlimited options and unlimited logo designs that you can select from with just one click of a button. You don't need any technical skills or graphic design skills, and you do not have to create any of the logos yourself. If you want to select this logo, click on the right here and click on the Add button, and from there, that will show up right here on your canvas. Now, we can do any other customization or any editing that you want. Say, for example, this graphic you can drag and drop to whatever place you want. We can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can make any adjustments you want. For example, you can even add some tags to the company's name, change the color, and change the font size. Again, you can drag and drop to any place that you want. You can get all the done for your logos with just one click of a button, and you can preview this logo by just clicking on this button. Once again, this works on your smartphone. You can do it on any device that you have. Once you're satisfied with the logo design, all you have to do is click the Save button to save it on your device. So, this is among the examples to create a logo for this one company. When you go back to latium.org and browse different projects, you have hundreds of projects. They're looking to hire people like you and me to design different logos. So, they're paying you top dollars 500 to 1,000 repeatedly right here on this website. And they pay you on time on schedule. So, click this button on top to sign up for free, and that will bring you to this page. Put in your email address, sign up for a free account, and start making money. Now, I'll show you another bonus tip. You can go on to Fiverr.com, and this is another freelancer website where you can find similar projects. Now, type in this keyword, logo design, and click on the search button. From there, you can find various projects and different logo design work. These are some examples of other freelancers from different countries in the world. For example, you can see here, this person creates professional logo designs for this amount. And you could be the one to do this and go onto this website free-logo-design.org to create other logos professionally with just one click of a button for free. That's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, hit the like button, and leave a comment below on how much money you earn using this strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.